For the last few weeks, we've been working on assimilation rules, which are ways to pronounce words that make them easier to connect and it sounds smoother and easier. We are going to continue today with a rule when a word ends with a D or a T and the next word begins with a U sound. This is going to be assimilation of manner. What does that mean? That means that we are going to change the way the sound leaves the mouth, how the air exits the mouth, instead of changing the place of articulation, which we've been doing for the past few weeks. So for this manner assimilation, we are going to think about when we have a T sound, the air puffs out of the mouth. The Y sound, yeah, that sound, the air moves out of the mouth. So our new sound is going to be a combination of these two manners, the stop and the continuant, and it is going to be now an affricate. These are all fancy words. You don't need to remember them. All you need to know is that the T plus a Y becomes a ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. And the D and the Y becomes a J sound. J, j, j. So I'm using the phonetic transcriptions here so that you can see the sound here. And then down here, I'm actually using traditional phonetic spelling. So if we have the word don'U, I am more likely to say don'Chu. And actually say chew like you chew your food, don'Chu. When I have the words didYou, I'm more likely to say diJoo with a J here. So let's give those a try. Let's separate them apart. don'U and didYou. Now let's assimilate them and change that manner of pronunciation. don'Chu and diJoo. don'Chu, diJoo. don'Chu, diJoo. So, don't you love this? Did you get it? Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. I hope you found this helpful. You can use this if you want to speak. You don't really have to. This is really great for listening. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this type of lesson. I really do love your opinions. Thanks so much, everyone, for being here. Have an amazing day.